meet the unlikely animal buddies, who've not only formed an incredible bond, but also performed together, wowing crowds across America. Jack Russell Daly fearlessly stands on the back of Spanky, the miniature horse, as he leaps over a fence. The performing duo were rescued by horse trainer Francesca Carson, who taught them the cute double act. And as well as working together, the pair are inseparable at Francesca's Horse Creek Ranch near Spokane, Washington. Three-year-old Daly used to watch as Francesca trained her horses, and one day leapt onto 32-inch tall Spanky's back. Since then, the talented team have performed their tricks at shows across America. And they've made special television appearances, including on the iconic chat show Letterman.